If you're an entrepreneur trying to figure out what you need to start up, or you've been doing it a long time but you want to formalize the business, this video is for you. Now let's start with the basics. You're gonna need an invoicing app. I'm sure you know this, but if you didn't, it's easy because it helps to track your income. You need that. If there's nothing else you need something to be tracking the income. There are lots of invoicing apps, but some of them are regionally limited. So if you love a specific invoicing app and you know what region you're in and it works great, put it in the comments. It's great to have it on your phone to be able to prepare an invoice anywhere you are. It makes you look very professional and it helps you in the long run. What's even better is if you get a database management system. That's something that can do invoices, can calculate the expenses, and if you have salaried persons, part-time or full-time, it can also help put that in and calculate reports for you. And honestly, that was the best thing ever. Now, I personally don't mind paying something per month for a database management system, but if that's not in your books, there are really good free ones. And as I said, check the comments and also Google. The next thing is contracts. I love something that allows me to send an e-contract link to somebody and they can sign it and I can sign it, and I'll have it in my Google Drive, iCloud Drive, any drive, every drive. I use JetSign, which I had for free, and then I increased it and actually paid for it so that I could do several contracts per month. When I say several, I can think I'll do up to 50 contracts per month, which is perfect for me as a small business owner, one-man show. Of course, I have different plans, but that was the one that fit for me. It helped me because even when I needed to sign a banking form and I was on the road, I was able to do it and send it back to them like that. Next one, if you're doing services and you need to be booking, you need a scheduling app. No more writing in the books. Walk a dash for the book. We need to throw away the book. A lot of these books, they are great when you're just starting and you don't have a lot of clients, but what you're gonna do when you need 100 different people to be trying to book you and see if you're available? Now, I can actually recommend some. I personally use Fresher, which is free. You have Setmore, which is also free. And then you have Appscuity Scheduling, I think, like that. That one, I know they have a free version and they have a paid version. Now, of course, everything is based on what you need. So look at what they offer. Guys, reading, fundamental, very fundamental. You're gonna need to waste your time and read. Because if you waste your time reading now, you don't have to waste your time in confusion later. I'm just saying. That should be the fourth tool. Read. Please read. Always educate yourself and research what people are using, what people recommend. There is so much information on the internet. But those are the three things that I would recommend: a database management system or invoicing app, contracts, as well as scheduling.